god, Veyron effect. The next Bugatti in town. Bro, LA style, bro. It's downstairs. What the hell? Black Series, guys. Black Series, P1 edition. What the hell? Filmed the 458 Speciale and now a Chiron is here. Bro, how random. Whoa! Bro, that's that Super Sport. What the hell? Now that's sick. Wow. Dark blue. Oh, bro. The next Bugatti in town. Yes, sir. Oh my god, Veyron effect. I can hear something and it sounds like a V12. Yes sir, matte black S roadster, that's pretty rare. Oh, that looks sick. With the valves open, bro, Batmobile. Watch this STO, bro. Now that's crazy. Look at the wheels. What the hell? Now that's very nice. I have to take pictures. Now this is the sickest STO I've ever seen in Zurich. Bro, LA style, bro. That's the kind of shit I want in Zurich. Bro, fucking power bank. F12. Look at the spec. Classy, bro. Oh. 918. Whoa. How random. What the hell? He's downstairs. Look at the watch. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, Midnight Gamer in my shop. Oh, Midnight Gamer, come on! Now you're on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
He's fine with it. Bro, it's smoking.
Run around town, hey. In the street, hey. Hey.
What's with those women? What the hell, bro? Bro, what an upshift! Oh, this one is popping. Oh, Lamborghini! Oh, the Evo! Oh no, the rental! Oh, GT3! Oh, R8. Uh-oh. Oh my god! R6. BMW is back. Oh, GT2 RS. I don't know what to film. This one. Wow, he's back. Wow. Holy moly, bro! That thing is insane. Bro, my ears were vibrating and there was nothing. That RS3 AMG power. McLaren. Novitec parts. Oh, E63. Oh, again. That thing is sick. With the stencil painted Ferrari shield. Very nice. Now somebody knows the color name, Rosso whatever. It's not Rosso Corsa, it's like more metallic and a little bit darker, but it looks phenomenal on this car. It's a GTS, by the way. Wow. Parking in Zurich, matte black tech art with blue brake calipers. Oh, it's so fucking dark you can't see it. Ah, I like it. I really like it. G-Wagon, of course. Normal in Zurich. The hell?
Bro, it's a V-car, bro.
Bro,
The Mustang is so nice. What the fuck?
what's the Mustang? Supercar Ron, bro. That's Supercar Ron's Valkyrie.
It's iced out, guys. No
Bro,
way.
iced out shit. What the fruit, bro?
I heard the clutch and these are very good, bro.
Yeah, the best clutch you can get.
You can even do like
Bro,
a
it's a
pumpkin.
single clutch. What do you want more? Bro, how do you like it with the black accents?
It looks shit, bro.
Oh, but that's the you're honest.
Like from the front, it's okay. Then you see the rims. You see black rims, then you see yellow brake calipers. Then
Bro, it would be better with silver rims.
you go to the back, bro. Then you see like two colors.
Yeah, why it's black? Oh, it's carbon.
Carbon, bro.
It's carbon. It's carbon. Okay. This dude is crazy. Whoa, fucking wheelie. Whoa, what the fuck? Where he went? Bro left the chat. Oh yeah, now. Come on, rip it. That was weak. Bro, he's doing another burnout. You know, in Switzerland we say nicht beherrschendes Fahrzeug. Oh, it smells. Oh, it stinks. Just a normal GT3. Bro, it's lady driven. Bro, I need her phone number. Searching for a sugar mommy. Bro, what a wild F12. Bro, with the ducktail, fat wheels. Oh, that's fire. Bro, traffic in Zurich be like, you don't know what to film. Bro, look at the chaos here. Oh, this intersection at night is so busy. I don't know about the ducktail, it's not my thing, But all in all, it's a pretty sick looking S12, tuned by THP. THP Switzerland is like Boden Autohaus. Way, they crashed. Oh no,